This is the lab of pharmaceutical chemistry. This lab is equipped with the analytical instruments as well as different chemicals that are related with not only the identification of different molecules that are related with the drug, as well as we are going to offer the biochemistry practice over in this lab. We are equipped with chemicals, we are equipped with different instruments that are very necessary not only on the preliminary stages but in advanced research too.
In pharmaceutical analysis lab, we teach students different techniques for analyzing the purity, quality and potency of pharmaceutical substances. They learn methods such as chromatography, spectroscopy, titration and stability studies to assess the active pharmaceutical ingredients as well as finished dosage forms. The lab also focuses on proper data interpretation, ensuring students understand the regulatory standards as well as quality control processes.